Hello, today we are playing the Forest of Drizzling Rain, and this is Roki. So, let's begin. So, yes, very nice. I'm excited, because this time around it seemed like the last game is play the Needy Streamer Overload. I mean, it's very good, but I'm also like, I don't know, I'm not that great at management games, because not gonna lie, I do get a little bored, but it's okay. Oh, I need to press enter, right? Oh, I probably should have read that. But yeah, this is RPG Maker. I've never played this before, and I really like RPG Maker games, so exciting. Also, I think you can see my cursor. On the day I heard my parents had died. Oh, it was raining terribly hard. I get the mic closer. Hello. In a traffic accident, I was told. Once I heard the voicemail, I rushed to the hospital. But it was too late. I wasn't even able to see my parents' final moments. Oh, my reading skills is... Okay, serious time. A small service was held in the pouring rain. It was just me and the funeral parlor staff. That's how my parents said they wanted it. My parents had cut ties with the rest of our family, so there was no one else to invite. The only sound was the battering rain. I stood there alone in the empty funeral home, overcome by the indescribable loneliness. It was like a black hole had formed at my feet, waiting to swallow me up. The day my parents died also happened to be my birthday. I'm sure we would have celebrated my acceptance into the university on the same day too. They were probably even more excited about it than I was. Actually, I'm fairly certain, judging by the present that was in their wrecked car. Oh no. This is a little cramped. I'm gonna move the mic back a bit. Oh yeah, so this apparently there's an older version of this game, but I'm playing the one that's on Steam. I think it recently got a translation, so that's why I was like, it's time to play. Oh, I fell asleep. Oh, you are told. I can't stay like this. I need to get a hold of myself. Okay, I'll do some cleaning up today. Okay, woo! Inheritance tax declaration. Oh. I should take the funeral clothes I borrowed from Mom to the cleaners. Oh. Quasi-final income tax return. Cremation authorization form. Accident report. Just a little more cleaning for today. And the tea clock that is a little out of place. The pendulum is set with a dull-looking stone. It's already midnight. I've been dragging my feet too long. Sometimes it just be that way, you know? Oh. It's full of books that Mom and Dad liked. Hello? Am I not looking at this right? Oh. It looks like a photo album, but it's locked and I can't open it. I've never seen an album like this before. I'll just leave it here, but I am a little curious. So am I. A file full of life insurance forms. Alright, I'll put this on the bookshelf. Let's see if there's anything else we can do. Oh, this is a bed. Brent, can I leave? I need to clean up some more. The residential streets are empty at this late at night. Oh, yeah. Oh. Small key falls out of a gap in the bookshelf. Small key obtained. What's this key for and why is it here? It's almost like it was hidden here. Well. It's time to sleep. It's time to go. Could this key be for... Oh, it's for this. Let's think about it. What should I do? Looking at it right now, it might be hard. Let me take a deep breath. Yeah. What if I don't open it? I don't think I should look at this album for a while. There's too much in my mind already. I can't afford to be sentimental. I'll be on my own starting tomorrow. I feel so tired suddenly. I'll go to my room and sleep for now. Can you change your mind? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. This place is scary. That's okay. Oh! What? Well, the room is so cute. It's a basketball and a trophy from when I was on the team in high school. Hello? Some university notes and textbooks as well as some makeup have been left out. Wait, you are a university student? It is cloudy and not a single star is visible. Like even the sky is going to shed some tears tonight. Oh, whoops, I should have checked out the floor. I have to live on my own from now on. Everything just happened so fast. All I can do is sleep, like I'm trying to pretend it didn't happen. The next day, I gave up trying to clean my parents' room. One day, when I opened the door to my parents' room, I noticed that the clock had stopped moving. But just like with that photo album, I just let it be. I don't have many memories of my childhood. That album might contain memories that are precious to me, but I don't have the courage to open it anymore. Days and months passed before I knew it. I started being able to pretend like I was alright in front of my friends and everyone else I knew, but it still feels like there's a gaping hole in my heart, which I've quietly locked away. Just like with that photo album, I don't have the courage to open it, and I'm not sure I ever will. Bookend, a door left closed. Ooh. Wow. Oh, can I not press continue? Oh, I cannot. Let's see. Hi. Oh. Oh. Okay, close. How do I close this? Okay, thank you. Hey, escape? Oh god. Wait, is there like actual art that I could look at? Oh. Very nice. Speaking of art, I should be doing art. But that's okay. I know how to pace myself. Reset? Okay, okay. I wonder if it's any different. Okay, okay, yes. Traffic. I wasn't even able. Is there a way to... I don't know, I think car accidents they're very scary. I mean, no kidding, they are, but it's like, you just never know when it's actually gonna happen, and it's not something that you can always control, or like avoid, because like, you know, there's like other people too. Everyone needs to be responsible. Then wake up. Okay, so, oh, okay, we already checked. Okay, yep. Okay, this time we're gonna open the photo album. Is this the documents? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very good. Hey. It's almost like it was hidden here. Like it wasn't meant to be opened. Okay. Open it right away. Yeah, let's do this. Opening it right now might be hard on me. Open it. You got this. Open it. Let's see what the pictures are. It's full of old photos. Wow. Mom and Dad look so young. What if it's find the killer? Okay. Huh? There's a blank page. It looks like part of the album is missing. The photos from when I was young have been taken out. Oh no. Something smells aloof. Oh wait. Let me check the other pages. Let me move this mouth. Ah, yes. Whoa, what time is it? Huh? The clock isn't ticking. The clock has stopped. I doubt I can fix it. I'm not good with delicate machinery. I'll have to take it and get it repaired. I'm feeling tired. I'll just lock up and go to sleep. Okay. See, I wanted to see what this was. It's a stuffed toy that I got as a birthday present a long time ago. That's very cute. The nightlight is glowing softly. There's a bunch of skincare products, but I don't have the motivation to use them. Oh, I bought face masks. Like, it's better to buy them in bulk, because, like, you know, it's cheaper that way. But I keep forgetting to actually use them, so yeah. Oh, I haven't locked up yet. I'll check the windows in the front door. Eh? How come it's not do this before? It's locked shut. The flowers are wilting. I should replace them soon. The shoebox is filled with all of our shoes. Our family's umbrellas are all placed neatly in their holder. Lock up. Yeah, very good. You should always lock your doors and windows. Oh. Alright, I should clean this up tomorrow. It looks like someone was just cooking, like the time in the house has stopped. It's locked shut. 3 colors of dishes neatly stacked together. Expired food needs to be thrown out soon. Hey! The food has been arranged nicely, but it has all gone bad already. All of my favorite dishes. Oh, yeah, it is celebrate this kid. Oh, it's my birthday cake. It already gone bad. Really? It's only been like a day. Although it's probably not good that it's been out. I don't know, I live on frozen food and instant ramen. So I would not know. I'm not exactly a chef myself. The shoebox is filled with all... Oh wait, I think I already... We had to check the windows, right? Ooh. It's locked shut. I'll look the time for bed then. There are towels and other daily essentials on the shelf. The pink and blue bath towels were gifts I gave to my parents. Okay. It's full of dirty clothes. I have to do the laundry soon. My face in the mirror looks a little tired. I would believe so. It's been a rough day, very rough day. I see myself in the mirror. Mom's funeral clothes look a little too big. You know, oh wait, I was gonna... Oh. have a memory of a goldfish, but I can't remember if they got accepted to university or if they graduated. I'll just go to sleep. New day, new tomorrow. Yeah, I was suddenly all alone. Looking at that album made it feel even more real. I couldn't remember what was on the blank pages. My memories of my childhood have always been mysteriously hazy. I don't know everything about myself, and I can't ask my parents since they're gone. I wish that someone could have come to my parents' funeral at least. I think I want to find out more about my roots. But there's no longer anyone in this world who really knows me, and that fact is very isolating. Why can't I remember? Why? I don't know. Hey. Come now. Come over here. My sweet child. Come fulfill your promise. The promise you broke in two and my eyes should be red with time and lost. But for now, when the right time comes, come now, my sweet child, and give me all you have. You can never escape. Never. Oh, not ever. Oh no. Oh, what is this creature? Oh, the clock! The clock is chiming? I like this penguin right here. It's effeminate. Oh! Now, the clock that stopped earlier is now chiming non-stop. Why? I need to stop the noise. Huh? What? I don't hurt yourself. I managed to stop it, but I think I broke it. I was too rough, and now the stone in the clock fell off. Huh? It looks like something else fell out of the pendulum along with the stone. It's a secret, hello? Next to the stone that fell out is what looks like a photo. Why is this here? The picture is of my parents, my younger self, and an unfamiliar elderly man. There is something small written on the back. It looks like Mom's handwriting. XX/19, yes, a city, Asakawa village. Kenji's father, Kenji, me, and Shiori. There's something else written down, but it's smudged and illegible. Oh? Mom, Dad, and me. And is the other person in this photo my grandfather? Wait, let me take, because I have a piece of cardboard, like, box, a really thin one underneath my keyboard, and I have it under my keyboard so that because I don't use a remote when I draw. It just feels, I'm just very used to this keyboard shortcuts, so it doesn't hurt my wrist as much because I have my wrist hovering when I'm drawing on the tablet and all that. But since that's not the case, I just have my wrist bent at a very weird angle right now, and it hurts. Oh, small child. After that, I only got busier and busier. Official papers to turn in, assets to transfer. It was all so confusing. But what kept me busy the most were all the part-time jobs I took on to make a living. The inheritance my parents left me was all used up to pay for tuition. I spent every day cramming for graduation and the rest of my time doing paperwork or working. School, work, and the whole process kept me busy enough to forget my grief. But once I had reached a stopping point with the paperwork, summer had come along with the holidays. I suddenly had a break. Summer break in university drags on forever, which should have been great, but for me only made things more depressing. Everywhere I looked in the house was a reminder of my parents. One day, I happened to glance at the photo I found in the clock. The person in that photo was probably my grandfather, I kept staring at it, and the thought made all the loneliness I thought I had gotten used to come crashing back down on me. I wanted to see him, or at least try. I wanted to talk to him and ask him things too. I quickly went and withdrew what little savings I had from working. I'd use my summer break to try and find a place in that photo. And right now, I'm sitting on a train, bound for Asakawa Village. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty. Finally, I reached the station. The sun's strong today, but there's no one else here. I'm pretty sure heading up to the village will also take some time. I just left without taking much luggage, but they probably have a convenience store or something, right? Where's the bus stop? Ooh. The name of the station is etched on a rusted metal plate. I wonder if it's a poster for a festival. Looks like it'll be in 3 days. The timetable is posted here, but very few trains are running. Oh, I can run. It's full of juice bottles with weird names you don't see in the city. Whoa, there's so much nature around. Maybe it's 100% juice. That's when you know it's the real deal. Wow, oh no, that's a lot of artificial sweetener. A trash can, but since not many people use it, it remains fairly empty. Okay. Oh. In 3 hours, oh. It's really taking its time. Ooh. Still not here. Did it just never come? I don't think the bus is coming. I wonder if I can make it to the village on foot. Oh! Eh? Police car? Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, well, the bus isn't coming. Bus? Not enough people used it, so it was decommissioned. Oh, of course. Were you on your way to Asakawa Village? Yeah, I see. Alright. It's not safe to be all alone here, so how about I give you a ride? Are you sure? Of course. So where were you headed to? Oh, I'm looking for this place. Do you know anything about it? Oh, this is a village archive. Eh? Archive? It was a fairly impressive estate back in the day. But when the owner passed away, it was turned into an archive. So what brings you to a place like that? Well, a relative. Huh? It's fine, I won't pry. I'll get in then. The archive closes once it gets dark. Where are you going to live? You just... like Snape. Whoa. Will Mr. Policeman be our friend? Or are we going alone? Thank you so much for this. Don't mention it. But are you sure this is the right place? Yeah. Well, it might be after hours, but the caretaker should still be there. He's strict though, so he might not let you in. Regardless, if anything comes up, give the police station a call. I will. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, I guess he's not staying with the bus. Okay, he's gotta do his job. Oh wow, this place really is an archive. Oh. Path I came from. But how about this way? This isn't the way you came from. Looks like this path continues into the forest. Okay, fine. Asakawa Village Archive is written here. Compared to the old-fashioned fence, the nameplate looks new. I see. Hey, branches are so thick, it's like the archive has been consumed by them. It's not possible to go around the back from here. Oh. Oh, I'd imagine that'd say the same thing. Oh, they're not closed? I've come this far, so I might as well take a look around. Here goes nothing. Oh my god. It's dark. Oh, the smell feels familiar. Alright, it's the same as the old clock at home. Why is it so dark? Excuse me? Is anyone here? Hey. It appears to be an interior map, but it's too dark to make out. Oh, goddamn. I would not want to go in here. Oh, yes. Oh. There's a lamp here. Can I turn it on? No? I am not allowed. Okay, I don't want to go in there yet. There's some writing. Okay, well, let's first see what's over here. I have the power of speed on my hands. I did not like that. I'm not appreciated. The music. Ooh. Well, it's okay. Let's investigate. Oh, okay. Alright, let's not investigate. Let's go over here. Hello? Is there any kindred soul I could exchange a few words with? I mean... Oh, okay. I see I had to go. Old flashlight. Oh. Oh no. I should be able to check out the map at the entrance now. Okay. Interior map. Oh no, I have to know. I have to memorize it. Here, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm not gonna... Cause like I have it set up where I'm doing a whole screen capture. So okay, I have it all good. All right. Thank you for the map. First floor is books. Second is local history. What's third floor though? Wait, really? It says that? Third floor just looks like it's sleeping corridors. Okay, let's read the stuff that we weren't able to read before. Donations to the archive are greatly appreciated. Yes. Please note that I communicate via writing. How's it called a character? Hey! Eating and drinking in open flames are strictly prohibited indoors. Smoking is permitted outside. This doesn't open. So right now we are in the kitchen and bathroom area. So this is the restroom. This is also a bathroom. I don't like this music. Oh. Sounds like there's an empty space under the floor. Cupboard is full of ornate dishware. It's a refrigerator. A burnt smell is coming from the microwave on top. The upper wall is stained with soot. Plate with the strangely blackened food has been left out. Looks like the breaker, but it's locked. Oh, yeah, see? Bathroom. I don't see anything strange. I can't open the door though. I'm pressing Z. Don't think we can really do anything there. So let's go. Let's check out the office area, which is you go up here. Wait, let me first read this stuff. A shelf of books. They look donated, and the genres are all over the place. I'm curious about the books, but I don't have the time to read them right now. Well, oh. What's this? Okay. Okay, so the office area is over here. If it'll let me in. Oh, it's locked. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's go up the stairs. So we're on the second floor. So this is where the storage in the kids' room is. Huh? Looks like blocked off, but I can just go around. Huh? Oh, we came this way. So this is an audio-visual collection. Oh, let's see what this is. Do not leave with reference books without notice. Inform the caretaker if you require copies. Painting titled The Sound of Rain. There's a TV and a VHS player. The shelf is full of educational videos for children. It's locked. Where does that lead to? The showroom, okay. Contains items important to the village. No running or playing. Oh, I don't like how that's red. I didn't know there was a way there. It's blocked off. It's blocked off. Huh? What is that though? I think that's just the emergency exit. Oh, okay. I guess we have no choice but to go all the way up. It's so dusty. I guess nobody comes here? If there's someone that runs by the window or some hand, I'd be like, that might be a little too spooky. So this is a balcony. It's locked. Okay. Room 301. Oh, this just looks so scary. There's some simple beds look like they haven't been used in a while. An old picture book fell out. The Taking Spirit and the Guardian? Azakawa Village Folktale. The Taking Spirit and the Guardian. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful woman in the village. Eventually, the woman used her beauty to enthrall the men of the village and made them do bad things. The village fell into decline while the wives and children of the men went hungry. One day, the evil woman was run out of the village and into the mountains. But instead of ceasing her evil ways, the woman transformed into a monster. The woman became the Taking Spirit and kidnapped many children who wandered into the forest, throwing them down to hell. Even if the village men went into the forest to vanquish her, none emerged victorious. Then, one day, came a light mist like rain, and the Taking Spirit suddenly came down to the village along with it. Where are my children? Where are my children? The forest doesn't have enough children. Now give me your children. Oh, no. At that moment, one of the villagers approached the Taking Spirit. Strangely, the Taking Spirit didn't attack the villager. The brave villager then threw a glowing blue stone at the Taking Spirit. Once the Taking Spirit was hit, she let out a wail and returned to the forest. Hey, we're in the forest right now. The villager who threw the stone begged the Taking Spirit not to take any more children, and she never came to the village again. The villager became known as the guardian deity and continued to protect the village. Children no longer entered the forest, and the village recovered. Oh. What a creepy story. Wait. What? It came from the desk. Let's check what this is. Oh, what was that? Okay, let's go for it. Well, it's stuck. I think it was a mouse. Why is it in there? Did it get trapped inside? Oh. There's a key labeled 3F file room. Oh, so that's the third floor. I'm looking at the map and I don't see. Okay, I don't know. I guess it's secret. My rat brother. Oh, it's not. It's locked, but I think I have the key. Hello. Yeah. Let's check these bookcases. There's a photo album. full of old photos. This looks more like a personal album. Most of the photos are of a man and a boy who resembles him. Family. There are sticky notes with the names of people in the photos. The man's name is Keiichiro. The boy's name is Kenji. That's my dad's name. Now what? I want to look more, but I really shouldn't, but... Dust, written documents, and older equipment that have been left out. Oh shit. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, are we upgrading to... Oh, broken lamp. Can I take it with me? No? What? File with the deed to the Azakawa village archive and other documents. Let's check one of the files. One of them contains the details to ownership rights over the land. Grandpa's name is signed at the bottom. Oh. Keiichiro Kanzaki. That's my grandpa. Oh. Alright, that name was in the album too. Anyway, my grandfather used to live here, so this really is my dad's hometown. I'll put the file back. I wish I could stay and look around more. I'll come back tomorrow and explain things to the caretaker. Why? I hope you don't get locked in here. Oh. Something shiny falls from the shelf. Oh, there's a necklace set with... Oh! 3 pale blue gems on the floor, like in the Starry. It fell from the top of that shelf, but I can't reach that high. I'll bring it downstairs and leave it at the reception. It's so pretty, though. How is it so shiny? Take it with you. Protect yourself. Although that is thievery. Okay, well... I think this is just an emergency exit. It's locked, yeah. I don't like... Maybe we have to use the emergency exits at some time. Like, you know, it's that point. Okay, sorry. You hear something from further in. Is someone there? Maybe the caretaker. Is it on this floor? Oh, now we can move here? Maybe there's someone in charge over here. Sound came from here. It won't open. Hello? Who is it? Oh. I came here looking for answers. You're not the caretaker? Oh, whoops. No, I'm actually looking for them. Who are you, the caretaker? No, I'm not. Anyway, get me out of here. What? I was hiding and got locked in. What? Then where's the caretaker? Don't know, and I don't want to be found. And should I call the police? Oh. Okay, so I can't scream or whatever because I don't want to alert my mom, but like, hey, no, that's Officer Mochizuki. I might be saying that wrong, right? No way, he'll kill me. Then what should I do? He falls out of a small hole in the wall. What's this? Use this to find the key to this room. Office spare. It's probably a spare to the office on the first floor. Please hurry. Whatever you do, don't call the police. I don't want them to know about this. Okay, the music is not here. Oh, this is the first floor? No, it's not. Hello? I think the office was this way. Oh. There's a date that's been circled. Sorry. Ever since I got here, I've been feeling strangely uneasy. All calendar scrap obtained. Okay, let's go to the office. I think the office is over here. Is there a way for me to save? Oh, I should probably save. Yeah. Oh. This window appears to be fixed and can't be opened. It's full of bulky files. Well-organized shelf. Contains various keys for the buildings. 2F storage room. This one. I'll have to go apologize to the caretaker later. Record this. It's brand new. Full of stationery. Oh. Cardboard box with trash written on it, yet the contents are neatly organized. It's locked. Oh, whoops. We gotta go. Let's go. Hello. I got your key. Hey, baby. I brought the key. Oh no. I have the key for this door. Let's put our thinking caps on. Oh, I didn't do anything. Let's open the door. I hope nothing bad is going on. Hello? Oh, are you there? You know, you're really trespassing in here. Are you crazy? Oh no, I'm just looking for answers. Are you a ghost? Oh no, you're not ghost. You're a student? Do you live around here? Yeah. Why are you hiding here? You even got locked in. I'm just here because I want to be. Huh? I just don't want to go home or see anyone from school. That's all. So, I'm staying here. Well, then why don't you tell me? Unlock the door. It's so late. You should go home. I agree, though. I guess unlock door, find food. Ugh, forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Thanks for the help, kind stranger. By the way, give me the key they used to open the door. Huh? Why? You want to get in trouble? It's safer if I keep it. Oh, okay. Alright. You should get out of here. It's dangerous after closing. The character's a little crazy. Crap. You make sure you get out, okay? Oh, wait. Well. Let's escape. Let's take the same route. Go for... Oh, whoop, that's the wrong way. Oh no. That's not going outside. Let's go for it. What if the caretaker is a creature? Eh? Oh. No, no, no. I should take a closer look. What? I am. Hello? It's locked. For now, I have to find a way out of here. Even if you get caught, don't say anything about me. Hey, wait. Is it time to look for the emergency exit? Let me pull up the map. Okay, so from looking at the map, there is an emergency exit on the 2nd and the 3rd floor. Though, I guess I want to check out the... Okay, well, alright. Oh, I didn't know if that was like a way for us to escape too. I'm going to... Oh. I'm scared. Why does he have like some glowing sword? Bro, I think that may be a friend. I don't know, I'm gonna save anyway, I'm so nervous. Was that a sword? It looked like he just came out of that room. I mean, he has a glowing thing with the pendant, so maybe he's out to vanquish. Just came out of that room? What room? This room? Oh, that's not room. Is it this room? This is the only room we were just in. You know, like times like these. Let's... Oh. Oh no. I was not paying attention. Oh yeah, see, this is where I was trying to go. Oh. Okay, well, since we can't go to the 3rd floor, let's... What? A long rope is hanging down. Rope of tape came from upstairs. What does it say? Asakawa Village Archives Showroom. Please do not touch the exhibits. Am I supposed to, like... What can I do here? There's, like, nothing I can do. Oh. It came from upstairs. It's time to go. What if I went... Ah. But the front is locked anyway, so let's go. Oh. Oh no, let go! Seems like our friend has gotten herself into another pickle. I don't know if I can get her out of this one. Oh, you're here. Wait, can I pick this up? Why? Pick it up and throw it at him! Although I think that would make him not want you to come to this place at all. It's unlocked. Oh no. Footsteps are coming closer. I have to hide. Okay, I'm not controlling this, by the way. I need to lock the door. You should probably close your light too. What do I do? Oh, he's trying to open the door? What? Finally, I wanna die. What else is there to use? There's literally nothing else. What? I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna just have to accept my fate. Oh, now it's useful? What? Shaking my head. I think they left. I need to leave now, but how? I know there might be a phone in the office. Okay, after we do the phone, oh shit, I'm going to call it a day for now. Hello? No. Where's the phone? No. Where's the phone? I think maybe it's... Oh no. Ooga. Is there any way to see like previous dialogue? No. Let me see if it shows on the map. No, it doesn't show. I mean, they said in office, so maybe he's... Oh, okay, yeah. I know there's a phone here, right here. Oddly, there's no receiver, huh? No way. I really need to find a way out of here. There's another room in here. What could be inside? Well, there's only one way to find out. There's a small wooden box. I don't know. Okay. Scattered pile of notes. Please leave. We are closed. No entry inside or to the third floor. Please leave. We are closed. We don't have anything on that. We are closed tomorrow. Where's your mom? Where are you from? Sheath for a sword has been that. Was this for me? I don't know. Oh, it's his room. Some storybook making guides have been left out. Can I look at the drawings? Not allowed? It's full of rocks and specialized books about processing of minerals. Okay. Okay, I guess I have to figure out what the combo is. 6, 12, 9? June 6, 12. Oh, God. Oh my, it was something June 6th. Sorry. Let me write this down. I don't exactly have the photographic memory. Actually, I'll just take a picture because I don't have any paper on me. June. So June is the 6th month. I don't know if this is, like, first I'm gonna try 9, and then 12. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Okay. And then I'm gonna try 6, 12. Okay. Key's labeled basement. It's in the kitchen! Yeah! Okay, for now, that is it. Next time is go into the kitchen and figure out what's in the basement. Okay, thank you. I think it's rather interesting. For now, I hope you are all good. Have a good night or a good day. Bye 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 bye.